displaying fume extractor models of both single-arm and double-arm customized across industries. Our model LFE50 is used by bottle manufacturing industry to arrest harmful fumes and odors when sticker printing, bottle cap engraving using laser and adhesive heat release while packing. Similarly, our model LFE100 is used in material industry for micro-welding electronics components, engraving part numbers, brand logos, batch codes and QR code data using laser and jewelry industry for design engraving. Cleantek provides 360-degree portable imported PVC arm for efficient suction. LFE models are widely used in laser cutting, printing, engraving, welding and laser marking. When fume extractor was installed in laser applications, it will arrest hazardous fumes, vapors, odors and airborne particles directly at the source while printing logos, barcodes or any custom designs in all packaging lines and keep both the workers and the workplace safe and clean. It will prevent respiratory problems and promote real-time monitoring. For more details, contact us and visit our website www.cleantekindia.com.